Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong July 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Taurus, money, career, finances. What's the energy? Taurus, money, career. Sea otter, kinship. This is like your community, the people around you. Gratitude. Merong reason for you to be happy or to be thankful for. Pwedeng merong tutulong sa'yo, no? In case na mga ilangan ka financially or merong resources na kailangan mo for your job, for your career, or may tutulong sa'yo sa isang negosyo na itatayo mo. Evolve. Things are changing. Wow. So, ang nakikita ko rito for you, Taurus, is merong change pagdating sa trabaho. Oo. So, maaring yung matagal mo nang minamanifest or yung matagal mo nang gusto for your job, for your business is already happening. So, ngayong July, maaring mas mangangailangan ka ng suporta ng community mo to help you with this business or with this career na sinisimulan mo. Hindi lang sa community but also yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Something is changing for you financially. Pwedeng yung iyong pananaw, no? Yung perception mo pagdating sa pera, nagbabago for the better. Let's see what else. You have the Four of Pentacles, stability in your finances. Yung iba sa inyo, mas marami kayong ipon ngayon. And magiging maingat rin kayo sa pag-handle ng inyong kaperahan. Uy, Ten of Pentacles. Wow, okay. Ang isa sa nakikita ko rin dito is inheritance. Pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na mana from your parents, lolo, lola, or someone is going to give you a large amount of money. It's either itatago mo yan or iipunin mo or ipang business mo. But for some of you, hindi nyo pa alam kasi kung anong gagawin nyo dyan. So, kikip nyo muna yung kaperahan. Uy, judgment. This is change. This is also release of the things that are no longer serving you. So, I think hindi lang pananaw ang nagbabago talaga sa'yo pagdating sa trabaho, career. Kumbaga, the way you act on opportunities. Na hindi mo na hinahayaan na dumaan lang sa'yo yung oportunidad. You will take action kapag alam mong may pagkakataon ka. Ayan, no? Ang daming opportunities nag-open up sa'yo. But at the same time, maingat ka rin. Maingat ka sa pag-select or pagpili ng mas magandang opportunity for you. Pwede kasing sa work o merong iba't ibang trabaho na naghihintay sa'yo galing sa iba't ibang kumpanya. Or sa negosyo, may iba't ibang ideas. Or innovation kung meron ka ng negosyo ngayon. So you are carefully selecting what's best for you. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, this is good news, no? Merong good news for you financially. Pwedeng yung pera na hinihintay mo darating na, yung magbabayad sa'yo, magbabayad na, yung may utang sa'yo. And this is also an idea, another breakthrough na tipong marirealize mo na, ay, maganda siyang idea na gawin for your career, for your job, for your business. You have the King of Swords. Yes, carefully studying. Yung iba sa inyo may pagkakataon kayo na makapag-aral. upgrade ng inyong knowledge, ng inyong skill set. And I also see someone na nagme-mentor sa inyo. Na, ito, Taurus, ang gagawin mo. Yan. Pwedeng teacher mo to, mentor, coach, na willing to share yung mga knowledge niya. Pwede rin naman itong ikaw yung magkakaroon ng opportunity na maging coach, mentor, teacher sa iba kasi marami ka na ring kaalaman and you are upgrading yourself by helping others or sharing your abilities. Merong mga minor mishaps, okay? Pwedeng decision mo sa pera or meron kang makalimutan na trabaho or task na kailangan mong gawin. So, mas maganda dyan ay maging yung very, masinop. Masinop ba yung tawag doon? Yung or someone na organized, no? Nagsusulat, tinatrack mo talaga yung progress mo, yung mga task na kailangan mong gawin. And some of you may pagka-perfectionist, no? Minsan kasi kailangan na lang natin gawin bago natin, no? Baga, kailangan na lang natin gawin kaysa patagalin natin sa kakaisip kung paano natin gagawin yung perfect. Kasi minsan, mas okay pa yung hindi perfect eh. 'Di ba? Kasi it's already there, nakalabas na, nakikita na ng mga tao, yan, kailangan mo daw ng backup plan. So, wag mo masyadong i-busy yung sarili mo to the point na may nakakaligtaan ka ng importanteng bagay sa work, sa career mo, sa business mo. Oo. Pwede rin dito meron kang bills na makakalimutan na bayaran. So, dapat yan lahat nakatrack. You have a decision to reconsider. Meron ka na pagdesisyonan na kailangan mong isipin ulit, i-review kung okay na ba yung naging decision mo or baka pwede mong baguhin o may nakaligtaan ka. Accept the inevitable, let go of the past, and welcome a rebirth to begin. May mga bagay na kailangan talagang magbago for you ngayong July in terms of your finances, career, your business. Kailangan mag-undergo ka dyan sa change na yan. Let go of the past. Kasi meron talagang rebirth for you. Like, it's a brand new you. A brand new version of yourself. Your dreams and desires are calling you to action. The journey begins today. Yes. Ano ba yung mga pangarap mo? Mga gusto mong ma-achieve for your career, business, or yung finances mo? Ito na raw yung time to take action. The journey begins today. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, baka pasok kayo sa isang partnership, business partnership. Ito'y beneficial para sa inyo, no? Pareho kayong magbe-benefit dito sa pagsasama nito. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.